Meteorologist Joe Hansel with a look at your Thursday, September 10th, 2020 national forecast. And thanks a lot for tuning in. We're going to start with the tropics in the Atlantic and Caribbean Sea first, because there's a lot to talk about. And we're watching for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things on the board, which makes sense. This is right around historical peak of the Atlantic hurricane season in terms of when it's busiest. A few low-end chances of tropical development near the United States, but we'll still keep an eye on it, even though it's a low chance. Tropical wave just diving into the Atlantic from Africa. That's already a likely chance of developing into something. We got Rene and Tropical Storm Paulette. National Hurricane Center early next week has it forecast to be a hurricane. Could be a direct impact to Bermuda sometime either Monday or Tuesday. So we will keep an eye on that and watch for that uncertainty, see when it irons out. Looking at watches and warnings across the nation. Flood issues this morning near San Antonio and Waco, Texas, and also out east near Philadelphia and Washington, D.C. Flash flood watches are out. Frost or freeze issues up in the upper Midwest near Nevada. Reno, a dense smoke advisory is out this morning. And still watching an elevated wildfire threats. Red flag warnings, portions of Oregon and Washington State west of the Cascade Mountains, where there still will be likely some very thick smoke, maybe that orange sky in areas basically up and down Interstate 5 from California north to Washington State. This is that uncomfortable look to that orange pumpkin sky look. This is at the airport near San Francisco. Some areas had ash falling like snow yesterday. And we're also watching still for regular snow falling. Might see an additional like 3 to 6 inches, locally 8 or more in some of the high elevations of the Rockies. Not much of anything left for Denver and Colorado Springs. Just very cold for you with highs in the 50s and 40s, about 40 degrees below averages out there. In terms of rain, we're watching for heavy amounts this morning near San Antonio. Areas of Missouri and Washington, D.C. Be mindful of some non-severe storms today.